To create a Pinterest business account, all you need to do is to go over to your browser and type in pinterest.com. When you type in pinterest.com, it will lead you to this page. It will lead you to this page where on the right hand side of your screen, click on sign up for an account. When you click on sign up, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You can either create an account by continuing with your Facebook account, with your Google account, but I'm just going to click on create a free business account. Then you have to enter your email address on this box. I'm going ahead to put my email address on this box, and after doing that, you need to go ahead and enter a password. So I'm entering my password straight away, and after doing that, you need to enter your age on this box. You click on create account. It will lead you to this page where you need to build your profile. Pinterest will send an email to your Gmail account to verify if you are a robot or not. Congratulations on getting started with Pinterest business. With your account, you can access insight about your audience, get tips to expand your reach, and set up ads. So here you are required to enter your business name or your brand name on this box. So in my own case, I'm just going to enter my name. My name is my business name. If you have a website, you can enter it on this side. If you don't have, you can click on no, I don't have. Or if you have, you click on yes. So I'm just going to select no if you don't have a website. So you click on this drop down arrow and select your country in which you are creating this account from. Then you equally select the language in which you want your Pinterest account to operate on. Then you click on next. After doing that, you click on next. When you click on next, they will say describe your business. What's the focus of your brand? What is the focus of your business? You click on this drop down list. Is it beauty? Is it fashion? Is it home decor? Is it travel? Is it food and drinks? Is it health and fitness? Is it education? Is it events? If you don't have any of these categories, you can click others. But I've selected education. My brand name is focus is education. So they say, what are your goals? Is it to sell more product, generate leads to your business, drive traffic, create content on Pinterest to grow an audience, grow brand awareness, or you are not sure? So just go ahead and select any of these categories. So my objective is to grow my brand awareness, in which I'm just going to go ahead and select grow brand awareness. So if your purpose is to drive traffic to your site, just go ahead and do that. If it is to sell more products on your website like Etsy and the others, just go ahead and select that. All right, I'm just going to go back and include my website on this Pinterest business account. Since I initially selected no, I don't have a website, I've just decided to go back and include my website on this Pinterest account. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on back so that I include my website. Just going ahead to click on back so that I include a website to this Pinterest account. So As you can see, they say, do you have a website? I'm just going to change this no back to yes so that I include my website right on this box. Let me just go ahead. As you can see, that's my website, and my country and language were already selected, as you can see. Or if you have any changes to make, you can go ahead and still make it here. Then after doing this, I click on next. It's going to skip all the informations which I already did, and it will lead me to this page. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll to the top of the page. They say describe your business. They say get customized recommendation based on your detail. Are you a blogger? Do you sell consumers goods or services? Are you a contractor or you provide services? Are you a creator, influencer, public figure or celebrity? Are you a local retail? Do you have a local retail shop or store? Do you have an online retail or marketplace? Are you a publisher or media? I'm just going to select on publisher or media. If you don't fall in any of these categories, you can click others. But I'm just going to select publisher or media in my own case. I'm going to be publishing on this platform. So I will just go ahead and click on publisher or media. Then I click next. Then they say, will you ever be interested in running ads on Pinterest? Yes, I am interested in advertising. If you are not sure, you can click I'm not sure. Then I click on next. Alright, it will lead you to this page where they say, where will you like to start? Do you like to start sharing ideas to create pins, tell your brand story using images, videos, or product or links? Or do you want to claim your website, or you want to showcase your brand? So just go ahead and select any of these options. I'm just going to click on I want to showcase my brand. Showcase your brand. Help people on Pinterest to get to know your brand by adding your picture, location, and other helpful information. So I'll click on showcase my brand. After doing that, it will lead you to this page where you need to put a public profile. They say add details about your business profile. People on Pinterest will be able to see this information. So don't share anything private. So this is what people will actually be seeing on your Pinterest account when they go to Pinterest. So make sure you fill only the information that will appear on the public. As you can see, this is the settings section of your Pinterest business account. Here, they say tell us about your business. So I'm just going to go ahead and enter what my business is all about. I'm just going to enter, this is a website that is all about teaching people. It's a website where you can learn how to make money online. You can get inspirational ideas from my website. Get inspirational ideas, and you can also learn how to do professional tasks all by yourself. And on this section, you can equally change your username and any information that you want it to appear public. You can do it on this setting side. So I say this website, this is a website where you can learn how to make money online, get inspiration, and also learn how to do professional tasks. So this is my website right here. I can just go on the username section and I change this and I put full Emanuela, meaning that if you go to your browser and you type in www.pinterest.com/full Emanuela, you are just going to land on my business page on Pinterest. So you can go ahead and change this username as you want. You can go ahead, you choose your country code, you fill in your email address on this section. As you can see, this is my business email address where you can reach me using this email address. After doing that, you can go ahead and select your country code by clicking on this drop down arrow. You can equally fill in your phone number on this section. Then you click save. They say profile save. So you can claim your accounts by clicking on claim accounts. You claim your website. If you have a YouTube website, you claim it here. Etsy, Instagram, Facebook, you can go ahead and claim it by clicking on claim. There are so many ways in which there is a way in which you can use to claim your accounts, which is a video for another day. Claiming your account means that it will help you to monitor analysis and ensure your name or your brand name appear on every pin created from your side. That is the meaning of claiming accounts. So I'm going to make a video if necessary. Also click on notification in order to select the way in which you want to be notified. Each time there is an activity on your account, you get notified. All right. So you can choose either by email or by push notification. You can choose any of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back to the section of profile. I just go ahead, I click here. Here, as you can see, make sure you put in a profile picture and a cover photo that represents your business. As you can see, this is my website here. They say this is the website that you can learn how to make money, get inspired, and all the like. So our business profile has been set up. Click on this arrow and you select bots. So in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create bots on Pinterest. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it with someone. Our business Pinterest account is ready.